generation is spoiled. They are shameless. Don't listen elders. They don't know how to respect. Now tell me, do you still think this generation is spoiling everything? This generation is breaking everything. This generation is spoiling everything. This generation is breaking relationships, breaking families, becoming disrespectful. Yes, you must have heard many people say that this generation is spoiled. They are shameless. Don't listen elders. They don't know how to respect. They say men are becoming weak day by day. Women are slipping out of control and kids are becoming disrespectful. But honestly, this generation is spoiling and breaking everything. No, they are not. Because this generation is adopting the change. They are becoming the change. Because no one questions on that. जो चीजें पहले थी उनसे कौन ही खुश था? Did you ever think if everything was so perfect, then why were so many people silently suffering? We know that. We were raised in damage. We saw our mother stay silent just to keep peace. We saw our father suppress emotions until they turned into anger. We saw our parents fight. We saw relationships continuing without any love or emotion. And we were taught that this is how life is. But this generation said no. We said this is not how life should be. They say men cannot show their emotion. They cannot cry. Actually, they say men to become emotionless. But men of this generation are breaking the cycle. They cry, they feel, they heal, they talk, they express their emotions. And no, that's not weakness. That's strength actually. They say women are becoming too independent, too loud, too disrespectful. But the truth is, they are tired. They are tired of adjusting. They are tired of asking permission. They are tired of waiting. They are tired of being ignored. They are tired of being seen only as a woman, not as a human. They work not just for the money, but to feel valued and free. They don't want permission. They want partnership. They don't want to be just someone's wife, someone's daughter-in-law, or child's mother. They want to be seen. They want to live as human. They say marriages are breaking too easily now. But tell me, should marriage survive only because one person keeps suffering? This generation doesn't glorify pain. It believes love should feel safe and respectful, not scary or suffocating. They say kids are becoming disrespectful. But why should respect mean tolerating abuse? Why should obedience exist without any understanding? This generation has learned to say no without any apologizing. This generation is aware of manipulation, aware of gaslighting, aware of emotional abuse disguised as love. That's why this generation feels different, because it is. This generation doesn't want to live just to please the society, because चार लोग तो कहेंगे जीते जी भी मरने के बाद भी. This generation doesn't want to repeat the patterns just because they are old, because years of pain don't make pain right. So this generation is not breaking everything. It's breaking the cycles of toxicity. This generation is doing the work that should have been done long ago. Now tell me, do you still think this generation is spoiling everything? Colors and promise.